Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best DIY Japanese candy kit is probably one of the most exciting and interactive ways to explore the vibrant world of Japanese snacks right from your own kitchen, offering a delightful blend of creativity, fun, and delicious results that are perfect for anyone looking to add a unique twist to their treat-making adventures. Number 5. Artistro 12 Regular Acrylic Paint Pens. Experience stunning, opaque, and glossy results with our vivid acrylic ink. It dries quickly, offering a durable finish on virtually any surface. Our markers feature a Japanese nib and Italian ink, ensuring water and heat resistance. Enjoy a smooth, consistent flow without any jamming or flooding. These paint pens are perfect for glass, rocks, paper, fabric, and so much more. They provide great coverage on almost any material you can imagine. Achieve intricate details with the extra fine 0.7 mm tip. They are ideal for marking, lettering, and adding those perfect finishing touches. Make your projects pop by using them on both black and white surfaces. They are perfect for all your DIY needs, from holidays to special occasions. Conforming to safety standards, these markers are non-toxic and suitable for everyone. Both kids and adults will love unleashing their creativity with them. What we like? Experience vibrant, lasting colors with these markers. Their Japanese nib and Italian ink ensure smooth, jam-free application on diverse surfaces. If you are looking for precise detailing and a professional finish for your crafts, these are the perfect choice. What people say. The candy kit is a great way to learn about Japanese culture and have fun at the same time. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. The finished candy looks and tastes amazing. Number 4. Box. Discover the innovative box. It's designed to simplify your life and enhance your daily routine. Experience the difference today. This product offers unparalleled ease of use. You'll find it incredibly intuitive and straightforward to operate. Get started in minutes. We've crafted it with your needs in mind. Its thoughtful design ensures a seamless integration into your lifestyle. Enjoy the convenience it brings. Explore the new features and capabilities it unlocks. It's ready to help you achieve more and experience things in a new way. The possibilities are endless. Step into the future with this advanced solution. It represents the next step in innovation and performance. Embrace the change. What we like? This offers a unique and stylish way to store your items. Its compact and portable design makes it ideal for on-the-go use. If you need a chic and functional storage solution, this is the one for you. What people say. This is a fun and easy-to-use candy-making kit. The instructions are clear and the candy turns out great. It's a great activity for kids and adults alike. Number 3. Kracie Popin Cookin DIY Festival Candy. Get ready for a fun and creative candy-making experience. This kit lets you craft your own delicious Japanese festival-themed treats. With this all-in-one kit, you can easily make colorful and tasty candies. It's a perfect way to enjoy a unique dessert. No baking or cooking required. Simply follow the instructions to mix, shape, and decorate your own miniature festival foods. Experience the joy of Japanese culture through this engaging DIY candy set. It's a delightful activity for all ages. Share the fun with friends or give it as a unique gift. This kit provides hours of entertainment and a sweet reward. What we like? Immerse yourself in a Japanese festival with this delightful candy kit. You can create your own edible decorations, making the crafting process incredibly interactive. If you love unique cultural experiences and hands-on fun, this kit is a must-try. What people say. This is a fun and easy-to-use candy-making kit. The instructions are clear and the candy turns out great. It's a great activity for kids and adults alike. Number 2. Kracie Popin Cookin DIY Candy Waffle Kit. Get ready for a fun and delicious experience. This kit lets you create your own candy waffles from scratch. No baking required. Simply follow the easy steps to mix, mold, and decorate your sweet treats. Shape and assemble your candy waffles just the way you like them. The possibilities are endless. Add the finishing touches with colorful toppings and sprinkles. Make your creation a work of art. Once you're done, savor the sweet taste of your very own handmade candy waffles. It's a treat for all ages. What we like. Enjoy the joy of making your own sweet waffles with this kit. It's designed for easy assembly, allowing anyone to create a delicious treat. If you're looking for a simple yet satisfying DIY candy experience, this waffle kit is perfect. What people say. The kit comes with all the necessary ingredients and tools, making it easy to follow the instructions. The candy produced is visually appealing and tastes great, with a variety of flavors to choose from. It's a fun and engaging activity for both kids and adults, promoting creativity and fine motor skills. Number 1. Kracie Popin Cookin DIY Gummy Land Candy Kit. Get ready for a fun and creative candy making experience. This kit lets you build your own delicious gummy land. No special skills are needed to create these amazing gummy treats. Just follow the simple instructions and enjoy the process. Assemble colorful gummy figures and build a whimsical candy landscape. Let your imagination run wild with this interactive kit. Once you're done creating, you get to enjoy the tasty results. These gummies are as delightful to eat as they are to make. Make any occasion extra special with this engaging candy kit. It's a fantastic activity for kids and adults alike. Experience the joy of crafting your own unique candy creations. This kit offers hours of entertainment and delicious rewards. What we like. Embark on a gummy land adventure with this imaginative candy kit. You can create a variety of playful candy shapes, offering a truly creative experience. If you enjoy whimsical themes and enjoy making fun, colorful candies, this kit will delight you. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary ingredients and tools, making it easy to follow the instructions. The candy turned out exactly as pictured in the instructions, with vibrant colors and fun shapes. It's a great activity for kids and adults alike, providing a fun and educational experience. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.